this week, we have had 1.6 million people who have gotten COVID in the past week. 18,000 people have died this week, and only 1.1 million Americans have gotten fully vaccinated that weren't before. This is lower than last week. 1.9 million people have gotten boosters in the past week, which is higher than last week. But we really want to look at the bigger numbers. Next, Maggie, please. So we now know that 77.2 million Americans have gotten COVID, or people can get COVID more than once. We know that. But 911,000 people have passed away from COVID-19 in the past 2 years. And tonight we want to talk about who those 119,000 people are. Next, Maggie. So when we think about those 900 people, 2/3 of them were over the age of 65, and they were more likely to be Hispanic or Black. When we think about people aged 30 to 64, that was 224,000 people. That's your parent age, right? Of people. That's your prime earning years of your life, right? And then, you know, we've long talked about how COVID and kids and that relationship. 6,300 kids have died of COVID, or people under the age of 29. And like that affected Black youth more than anyone else. Next, please, Maggie. When they make up the death certificates for COVID-19, they also write down other things that were going on with the person's health when they died. So almost half of people who've died of COVID-19 also had the flu or pneumonia and pneumonia. So the flu is critically important when you're talking about COVID-19. 163,000 of these people also had high blood pressure. 134,000 had diabetes, and 44,000 of them were also obese. So these are where your health conditions really matter. Next, please, Maggie. On average, every person who passes away leaves 9 family members experiencing that grief. And so total, about 82 million Americans are in mourning.